This Cuisinart Cast-Iron Double Burner is an impressive addition to any kitchen, providing exceptional cooking flexibility and performance. Whether you need additional cooking space for large gatherings or a portable cooking solution for small spaces, this double burner offers a powerful, reliable, and stylish option. The Cuisinart Double Burner features a sleek brushed stainless steel housing that adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. The unit is compact yet sturdy, with dimensions of 5.75 by 22.50 by 15.25 inches, making it suitable for various settings such as dorm rooms, boats, patios, or RVs. The heavy-duty cast iron plates are designed for durability and long-lasting performance, and the coil-less design makes cleaning a breeze. Simply wipe down the cast iron plates and the stainless steel body to keep the unit looking new. The non-slip rubber feet provide excellent stability, ensuring that the burner stays securely in place during use. This stability is crucial when cooking multiple dishes or using heavy pots and pans. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart Double Burner is its powerful heating capabilities. The unit boasts 1800 watts of total power, divided between a 300-watt large plate and a 500-watt small plate. This power distribution allows for quick heat up and excellent heat retention throughout the cooking process. Whether you need to boil water rapidly or simmer a delicate sauce, the Cuisinart Double Burner delivers consistent and reliable performance. Each burner comes with a separate 6-setting temperature control knob, allowing for precise heat adjustments. The lower settings are perfect for keeping food warm, while the higher settings can handle more intensive cooking tasks. This versatility makes the Cuisinart Double Burner suitable for a wide range of cooking needs, from everyday meals to holiday feasts. The Cuisinart Double Burner is designed with user convenience in mind. The independent adjustable thermostats for each burner ensure you have complete control over your cooking temperatures. The on and ready indicator lights provide clear signals when the burners are operational and ready for cooking, enhancing safety and ease of use. Setting up the double burner is straightforward. Simply plug it in, adjust the temperature controls, and you're ready to cook. The compact size and portability of the unit make it easy to store when not in use or to transport for on-the-go cooking needs. This double burner is an incredibly versatile tool, ideal for various cooking scenarios. It's perfect for entertaining guests during parties or holidays, providing extra cooking space when your main stove is full. The powerful large burner can handle bigger pots and pans for main dishes, while the smaller burner is great for side dishes or keeping food warm. In small living spaces like dorm rooms, boats, and RVs, the Cuisinart Double Burner serves as an efficient and effective primary cooking appliance. Its compact design does not compromise performance, making it a reliable choice for those who need a portable cooking solution. The heavy-duty cast iron plates are built to withstand regular use, offering long-lasting durability. The enamel coating on the cast iron prevents rust and ensures the unit remains in excellent condition over time. The stainless steel housing not only looks great, but also provides added protection and durability. Cuisinart backs the double burner with a limited 1-year product warranty, ensuring peace of mind for buyers. This warranty covers defects in materials and workmanship, offering a safety net for any potential issues that may arise during normal use. In summary, the Cuisinart Cast-Iron Double Burner is a highly versatile and reliable cooking appliance that offers exceptional value. Its powerful heating capabilities, user-friendly design, and durable construction make it a standout choice for anyone in need of additional cooking space or a portable cooking solution. The independent temperature controls and indicator lights provide precise control and ease of use, while the non-slip feet ensure stability during cooking. Whether you're preparing a holiday feast, hosting a party, or cooking in a small space, the Cuisinart Double Burner is up to the task. Overall, this double burner is a worthwhile investment for any kitchen. Its combination of style, functionality, and durability makes it a must-have for home cooks, students, and anyone who values quality and performance in their kitchen appliances. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Cuisinart Cast-Iron Double Burner and enjoy the convenience and flexibility it brings to your culinary endeavors. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.